Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. Hope everyone saw yesterday's video. The streets are dry, man. The streets are dry. I was gonna run out, do some hunting, and I said, you know what? It's really time to get cracking on the Ferraris. We have to figure out the water slides, if the paper that you can print on is even going to work. I don't know that making the emblem I have so small will really do any justice to the emblem. So I'm questioning whether we do the Ferrari emblem, do we make TFM logos? So I want to try to mess with the water slides today, and I also need to take the Dremel. We have a wire wheel here. Yes, she's a little worn out, but I think it will still work just fine to, I guess, edge the surface of, or etch the surface of the 308, which I will be keeping raw. I wasn't sure what to do about that because we have a couple of the Testarossa cars that we could have done one of those raw, and I guess we still can, but there's something special about the shape of the 308. The way it looks with the pink wheels, with the white tires, I really like it with the raw. So I'd like to make a TFM logo, if possible, out of the water slides. Try the Ferrari logo. We also have the prancing horse logo, just the black prancing horse like we saw on the Matchbox from the Toy Expo. All right, let's step outside because I don't want to make a big mess of metal shavings here in the compound area, the stream area. It's not worth it. So let's go outside. We'll set everything up on a towel and let's try to Dremel the Testarossa base and see if we can get that little bit of red paint off. Let's see what happens before I even touch the 308 with it. Huh, there's like a little bump there. Did I drill too far? Yeah, look, right here where the peg was that we drilled the rivet. Unfortunately, as you can see, the drill bit broke off in the hole. So not a big deal. With the 308, we can glue it, I guess. I know people do that. There's also some kind of magnet trick. There's plenty of room to put a magnet in there. Now, I don't know if this material is magnetic. Do you put one magnet here and then the post just kind of magnetizes to it? How does that work? Does anyone know? All right, safety first. I do have my safety glasses on. All right, let's see what's gonna happen here. Yeah, I do see a little difference there. You gotta be careful. It's definitely shining it up. Wow, look at that. Whoops. Whoa, easy there. Let me find something to put this, let me find something to set this on so I don't catch this towel and make a big mistake. All right, nothing better than an RLC box. Wow, you can see, man, look at the shine. I don't know if I gotta keep going the same way or if I could do different ways. Definitely got the paint off, the red paint, the leftover paint. So I'm not really putting a lot of pressure because I could see little lines when I do that. So I'm just hovering the wheel right above the base. Yeah, this should be fine for the body. Let me work on this. I'll be right back. Holy cow, dudes. Check it out, man. So pretty polished. I don't know if I need to keep going a step further or just call it a day. Here's what it looked like prior to the Dremel wire wheel, and as you can see, man, it's basically polished, right? I mean, I don't know how much more we really need to go on that. Let's grab the 308. We got all the red paint off of here. This is the Testarossa base. Let's grab the 308. Hold on. All right, that's cool. That's cool that it works. I really want to focus on just the 308. Unfortunately, like I said, we do have to figure out how to make that stick. I guess I could do a drop of glue. I know people glue these. I've heard of that. I don't know. Let's I don't know. Maybe we could find magnets. So let's start dremeling this bad boy real quick. All right, I'll keep working on this, guys. It's pretty boring to watch someone Dremel, I know. So, be right back, dudes. Well, I certainly would call that a result. As you can see, the shine is for real, dude. So yeah, it's working great. Just using this old wire wheel on my Dremel. I'm now going to change the wire wheel because it looks like it's getting chewed up. These are old. I might have to go buy a new bit set for my Dremel. And I'm gonna get started on the body right now. That's weird. This brush, this one isn't doing anything, is it? Shoot. Whoops. Whoops. Wow, I'm just chewing this thing up, dude. I don't think this one is cutting like this other one. Maybe they're different. Maybe it's a different something. Wow, this one is almost done, bro. Whoops. Yeah, the brushes are different. This one's way better, even though it's running out, which is awful. I hope I can get the whole car done at least, and then I can go and get, you know, a new one for the other Ferraris. Hopefully we can at least get the 308 polished. I mean, it's going. It's a lot shinier. Can you see that? Hello? Yeah, yeah, it's shinier. See? It's shinier. Hold on. All right, so I've been working on this for probably 20-25 minutes. As you can see, we have definitely changed the finish. It still has some dark spots on the roof and the hood. So in the shade, hello? Well, let me just cover it up with my hand. Oh, you can't even see it. Anyway, in the shade, it's got some dark spots, but in the sun, it looks incredible. I am going to swap out to this other brush, try to do some fine polishing. I also have this little polishing bit with some compound. I don't want to use sandpaper on the 308. I'd rather do that on a car that I have extras of. This is our first one. If it's not perfect, that's okay. I'm not sure if this is doing anything, honestly. All right, I don't know if this is gonna do anything. I've got some McGuire's fine blemish scratch remover compound. Make sure it's really shaken up good. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna do anything. I might be wasting time here. I don't even know if this bit's gonna be great for this. Looks like I made a huge mess. Oh, shoot, my phone. Yep, not liking this. Yep, it's just flinging the compound everywhere. This is not it. This is not it. All right, I just put an actual polishing wheel on here. Let's see if that helps. Try to soak up some of the compound here onto the pad. Again, I don't know if this is what you do, but we're gonna do it. Oh, shoot, again, bro. Oh, right in my eyes. Good thing I got glasses on. Maybe we should do it this way. Is it even doing anything? Gosh, I don't know. Maybe this is worth a little. Ooh, it does feel smooth. Yeah. All right, let me rub this thing down. You know the deal. Be right back. All right, my people, there we go. So I did the polishing on the base a little bit, just where you will see the car, you know, sticking out right there, you understand? And I need to go, I guess, rinse this off, and we'll give her a little microfiber polish and see what we got. All right, see what's gonna happen here. So here is our original finish that we could see on the Testarossa. And we have the 308 after some wire wheeling, after some polishing compound or buffing compound, and a buffing wheel. What are we gonna get? Oh, let's see. The reveal. Okay, I see you. I see you. Okay. Wow, I would call that a result. I guess you could probably sand this and get it a little more not so rough. But you could see, man, once we get the clear on there, hopefully we get enough clear that it will fill in some of these divots. I don't know if that's gonna happen. But again, this is all new to me. I'm having a fun time learning. It's an incredible finish. I mean, other than that pitting, we definitely polished it, man. I mean, look, compared to that, it's a mirror, right? I mean, hello, there I am. There's the Florida man. You can actually see my hat. There we go. I'm shaking my head. See? You ain't seen me in that one. But so, you know, again, could it get better? Of course. Do I have the time for that? Not at all. So let's put this together really quickly just to see what it looks like with the wheels being so shiny chrome. All right, I know it's a little windy, but with the help of the South Florida sun, you can see, man, she's shiny. She's shiny, shiny, shiny. Much shinier than the original casting. Yes, there is some pitting. Again, hopefully the clear coat fixes that. Well, as you can see, not too bad, dudes. For my first try, spending as little time as possible, we have a result. Yes, there is some pitting, of course. Compared to the Testarossa, she actually looks pretty awesome, man. I'm excited. We're just going to keep it raw, put some decals, clear coat it up, and call it a day. Okay, good thing I had the fishnet hat on and not my good junk hat, because that compound polish went everywhere. That stuff just went flying everywhere. It's all over my glasses. We've got some cleaning up to do. The Florida man needs to clean up some stuff from my little project here. Yeah, I know I just touched my face with oil and now I just touched the car, so I'm going to clean this off. Don't worry. But there you go, dudes. We are off to what I would call an amazing start on our custom Ferraris. To think that I'm gonna have to do this on all of them is hurting my heartstrings a little bit, but all good. I'm gonna put this on hold for now. We're gonna work on the water decals in the next video, or the next time we work on this project, which I don't know if it'll be the next video, but I wanna practice the water slides. I wanna see how they work. I wanna see how it looks on the car, and then we'll clear coat it, put the interior back in. We got to fix the glass probably. I want to paint that little back piece. It was like a beige color. I want to paint that black somehow. So we'll figure it out. Someone in the comments did say to use an enamel pen to do the lights, do an enamel paint marker in red to do the lights. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I'm just going to keep reading your comments. You keep giving me tips. I'll follow them. So far, so good. All right, it happened. We did it. We did a Chase RLC show. Shout out to Blockade. He gave us a White Lightning Ranger right here, and we gave it away, dude. Somebody will be getting this beautiful White Lightning Chase in the mail. Shout out to Blockade. Here is the Showroom Floor Series truck, the Ram that we got recently. It's gone. Our STP blue truck with the green wheels, gone. Smokey and the Bear truck, gone. I told you guys. Watch those Whatnot Noties. We did the first RLC Chase show, and it was amazing. We had a great time. I've got a bunch of orders to pack up. A couple of you guys made some orders out of the Whatnot store while I was not live, and those orders will all be going out at the same time as the Chase show. So all the orders will be showing tracking by Monday. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate all of you, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.